Mr. Acun, welcome to Beleku. It's really nice that you took the time to visit NK Maribor training camp. First of all, how are you?
I'm very fine. I'm very busy. Yes, it is transfer time for many clubs, so it's a busy time. Apart from that, for television business, media business, high season. But of course, I cannot complain. So we have good projects, and we are trying to catch these good projects. And Maribor is one of our favorites.
A few words about today's match against Bačka Topola.
Actually, I think today this team showed its quality, and especially last part of the game, we were really good. Our dream and project about Maribor is just make a team that has the best young talents with mixed some, of course, experienced players. And this mixture, if we make it in the correct way, I think the future is very bright. I want to explain a little more about it. Our aim in Maribor is finding the pure talents and don't miss anybody. So we don't have any financial problems. So we can get to any young talent around, of course, Slovenia, plus there are so many important countries around that the talents are. So I think we are on the right track.
What can Maribor fans generally expect in 2025?
Yeah, I mean, I want all of our fans to understand something. Every time you come to a new country, of course, we are trying to adapt as soon as possible. But as in all the foreign investments, everybody needs time to learn everything. So the dynamics of Maribor is nothing to do with whole city. Completely different dynamics there are. So we are learning our lesson. Of course, we brought a fantastic, I think, sportive director. Mika will be very useful for this team. We believe in our coach. So in the technical side, we are very confident. Now, of course, about the structure of the team, we are learning our lesson as soon as possible. So the fans can know that the future is bright, and we will push this year to be the champion. But it's a long-time project for us.
Okay. And finally, Mr., when can we expect you again in Maribor?
Very soon time. I'm going to be, after the second part of the season starts, of course I will come. And I hope the team gets to closer and closer to be champion. So maybe I come every week. This tension is different, in football. When you smell to be champion, you go there, whatever your business is. So we are very little to that point.
Thank you, Mr. Acun, and good luck.